In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image in Canva. We'll walk through everything you need to know to change the words, adjust the style, and completely refresh the look of any text that's already on your design. First, open Canva in your browser or app and go to the specific project that contains the image you want to edit. This might be a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or any other design. Once the project is open, find the text you want to change on the canvas. Make sure you're actually selecting a text box, not just an image element. To start editing, move your mouse over that text and double-click on it. When you do this, you'll see a blinking cursor and the text will become editable. At the same time, a toolbar will appear at the top of the screen with lots of formatting options. This is where you'll control the look and feel of your text. If you want to change the font, look for the font drop-down in that top toolbar. Click it, and you'll see a list of font styles you can scroll through. As you hover over different fonts, Canva will usually preview how they look on your selected text, which helps you choose something that matches the style of your design. Next, let's adjust the font size. Right next to the font name, you'll see a number that shows the current size. Click into that field, and either type in a specific size or use the small up and down arrows to increase or decrease it. Bigger numbers make your text larger, smaller numbers make it more subtle. Aim for a size that's easy to read but still fits nicely within your layout. To change the color, click the text color icon in the toolbar. A color panel will open with your document colors, default colors, and possibly recent colors. Click on the color you want, and your selected text will update instantly. Choose a color that has good contrast with the background so your text remains clear. You can also adjust emphasis. Click the B icon to make the text bold, which is great for headings or important words. Click the I icon to italicize it, which works well for highlights or quotes. If you want an underline, click the underline icon, and Canva will draw a line beneath your text. To create a strike-through effect, click the strike-through icon. This is useful for showing old prices or crossed out ideas. If you'd like your text to be in all caps, click the uppercase icon. Canva will convert the selected text to uppercase instantly, which can make headlines stand out. For lists, click the bullet list icon. This turns each line of your text into a bulleted list, perfect for summarizing key points in a clean, structured way. Finally, if you want to completely replace the existing words, double-click the text again, press backspace until all the old text is gone, and then type your new text in. Once you're happy, click anywhere outside the text box to deselect it, and your updated text is now part of your design.